Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm going to show you how to set up app notification in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to do this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the notification and status bar. So as you see, when you go here, you have an app notification, the first option. So click on it and there is a sort of your application from your phone. And you can choose which application you want to do the notification. So when it's blue, it's enabled. When it's gray, it's disabled. So if example, if you want to get a notification from the maps from Google, just click on it, it's blue, and now you're gonna get the notification from the maps. If you don't want to notification from the music application, just simply press on it. It's gonna be gray and you don't even have any notification from this application. And that's it from me. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, or leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.